how's it going? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. It's quite windy today, so it rained quite a bit in the evening, and right now we have like fair amount of crosswinds or headwinds or tailwinds depending on your orientation. But yeah, it's quite windy today. So those of you who checked my previous vlog might have heard the difference in audio quality. At least I felt that the change in microphone did give some improvements in the quality of the audio. I already told you guys that I'm using currently a cardioid microphone, or in other words, directional microphone. So yes, there seems to be good improvements in the quality of the audio, the noise levels or the ambient sound levels, but I still haven't gotten the time to test it, so that I can be rest assured that if I go for a Sunday ride or something of that sort, I'll be able to capture the audio properly. So that's the hope anyway, or the motivation behind getting a new microphone. So let's see how it pans out. So just before the ride, so in the vlog just before the ride, I spoke about mental fatigue and things like that, anxiety. So going on the ride definitely made a difference, though I was stressed out about the audio quite a bit, but still I was able to disconnect from whatever was worrying me last week. So coming into this week, I believe because of the ride I came back stronger. My thoughts are more coherent, and in general I'm unfazed by some of the challenges that life is throwing at me. So riding a motorcycle has that effect on me. I mean, in addition to just enjoying it, it also is therapeutic. Yes, I mean, there is a lot of traffic in front of me, and sometimes that can get stressful, but I don't mind it in general, as long as there are wheels beneath me and there is motion, and I can immerse myself in the sights and sounds that the motion brings me. Sometimes when the times are tough, it just helps me get through. So I'm glad that I have this thing in my life wherein there aren't any dependencies other than there should be some sort of road, and there is fuel, and the weather isn't like a hurricane or something like that. So yeah, it feels good to have an independent mechanism. Normally when one is troubled or something, they would like to speak to someone to get some thoughts off their mind. But for me, saddling up and hitting the road does it. I mean, I don't say that it is something that will work for all circumstances, but when the mundane things of life start getting to you, I find that riding a motorcycle is a damn good release. What do you guys think? I mean, I'm sure everyone has something like this that they enjoy doing, when the mundane things of life starts getting to them. So do let me know. I mean, what you guys do to let off some steam, or rather, you know, to step back, relax a bit, decompress a bit, and then, you know, get back to life with all your zeal. So do let me know what you guys think on that. So with those thoughts, I'll be signing off today. I hope to catch you guys in the next one. So until then,